Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a Garmin Forerunner 735XT in case you're having issues where it will not pair with your device, or it keeps disconnecting, or it keeps freezing, or maybe you're just selling the watch or you're buying the watch and you just want to clear everything out and restore the default factory settings. It's very easy to do. All we're going to do is we're going to, with the watch on, we're going to hit this button here. It's going to open up the menu, and then we're going to use these buttons to toggle. So we're going to use the bottom button. We're going to go here, and then we're going to toggle down to settings and hit here to confirm. And then once we opens the setting menu, we're going to go toggle down again until we get to device. We're going to click device. We're going to hit to confirm. Once we get to device, we're going to scroll down until we get to the option restore defaults. We're going to hit restore defaults. We're going to hit this button to confirm it, and then we will hit one click down to go from no to yes, just to confirm. You'll have to confirm it. Then you'll confirm it, and once you hit confirm, it will start wiping the watch. While the watch is being wiped, anyways, once that's done, the watch will turn off and it will turn back on into the startup screen like it was when it came out of the box.